I put myself in that. I'm not trying to be holier than thou. That just adding ketchup, adding mayo to everything that they're eating. Street food never used to be that.
Absolutely.
Street food used to be freshly made imli ki chutney, freshly made hari chutney. No longer. Every street food now has cheese bhi lagao, mayo bhi dalo, or ketchup bhi dalo.
Ha. See, all these momos and other things, they come packed with all poisonous stuff, you know. I mean, I will not say poisonous, but they are not unhealthy. They're very unhealthy. Like fried chicken, which is distributed and dispersed in bread and all, is all very dangerous. It's not good. See, if you once in a while, it's okay. But if you take it on a regular basis, it's dangerous.
Yeah. Which is happening pretty often
Very
because there are many parents who say that हमारे बच्चे खाना नहीं खाते जो हम बनाते हैं दाल sabzi and all. And there's also the Instagram generation. They want to put pictures of their khana on every day basis, you know, daily basis. So your dal chawal and all, it looks pretty messy and
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
So the prettier the food, so young mothers or whoever's cooking has to make that effort to make even the leafy vegetable look pretty
Yes.
for that.
Yes.
So it's extra effort.
Yes. Fruits, fresh fruits.
Yeah.
People are not eating fresh fruits. You eat fresh fruits, you eat fresh vegetables. You can take chicken, you can take fish, you can take other than red meat, because red meat has got a lot of this thing. You can eat all that. Who has non-veg? Nobody's stopping from eating these food. You can take skimmed milk. All this is good for your health.
Okay. And you spoke about work-life balance. It's literally impossible. You know it. I mean, I don't think even you have work-life balance. I see you sitting in the hospital all the time. The pressures of work. It's modern day. Commuting is a major issue. People take anywhere between 1 hour to 3 hours commuting from home to place of work. How can they get rid of that stress at that time?
See, I think the answer again remains the same. These are standard protocols that you have to exercise a little bit. You have to take out time. 20 minutes time you have to take out to do exercise. Eat wisely and control your hypertension, control your diabetes, etc. These things have to be done if you have. And you need to sleep. People are not sleeping adequately now.
Yeah.
You have to sleep 7 to 8 hours every day. They are not sleeping that. I emphasize this 3-4 things: mindful eating, sleeping, because they are important for all aspects of life.
So if one is not able to sleep naturally, taking a pill to sleep, how harmful is that?
Very harmful. See, I'll tell you what are the dangers of not sleeping. So if you have insomnia in a short term, it will cause disruption in your neurotransmitters. But if you don't sleep for long period, there will be neuroinflammation. And neuroinflammation leads to neurodegeneration. This is a fundamental thing which you have to understand. Then you get forgetfulness, then you get memory lapses, then you become irritable, then you are all the time angry. Your decision-making process, your ability to understand, comprehend, analyze and judge are all impaired
Okay.
if you don't sleep well.
Huh.
Maybe 1 day, 2 days I can understand, but on a regular basis if you don't sleep well, this is what is going to happen.
Okay. Please tell me the difference between memory lapse and dementia. I'm getting into like my issues. Free में आप बैठे हैं तो मैं सारा अपना पूछ लेती
So
हूँ.
I'll tell you the difference. It is the intensity. So if I forget your name once and I somehow bring back the name into my mind, that's not dementia. That is forgetfulness. If I don't get the right word once in a while, that's not dementia. If I forget the right which account from which to give the money, that is not dementia. Dementia happens like certain serious things. Like, for example, I don't recollect your name for the next 1 week. That will be dementia. That will be, or I don't recollect where I've kept the keys for the next 1 week. Or I forget one of my aunt's name or my child's name. Or I forget where my house is. Okay. That would be a harbinger or a beginning of a dementia. Okay. That one needs to be investigated in detail.
Okay. Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा. The issue is, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दो?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.